Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I've created this eye look using the iHeart Revolution Chocolate Orange Mini Palette. Now this video is going to be in the style of the very old YouTube makeup tutorials. Oh my gosh, do you guys remember those? They just bring back so much nostalgia for me, and I think those are what created the beauty industry from the start. I just absolutely love them, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. So let us get started by creating this eye look using the iHeart Revolution Chocolate Orange Mini Palette, or as they say, if you want to see how I create this look, just keep watching. So I've primed my eyes with the Essence Eye Stage eyeshadow base. Taking the darkest colour in the eyeshadow palette, I'm just grabbing a Eco Tools brush. I think this might be discontinued. So just grabbing a fluffy Eco Tools brush, and I'm just popping this darker colour into the crease. So I'm just really building it up and blending it out. I'm now going to be taking the dark pink colour. It's just like a cranberry dark purple colour. So I'm just going to grab that on a Urban Decay Vice brush. It's just a very old Vice brush. I'm using the fluffy end, grabbing that colour, and I'm just going to be blending this colour right on top of that dark colour that we just applied. So I'm just adding it on top and just blending them together. I've grabbed my Eco Tools brush, the one with that darker purple colour on it, and I'm just adding that colour back so we don't lose its intensity. Taking that orangey peach colour now, I'm just going to grab it on a Superdrug Studio brush, and I'm just going to blend this on top of that cranberry colour we just applied, so it adds a little bit more colour and a bit more warmth to the eyes. Taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer, I've got the shade C2. I'm going to use the other end of that Urban Decay Vice brush, just placing a little bit on the lid, lifting my eyelid up to see how high I have to go, and then I just start cutting it along just to half cut my crease. I'm now going to grab that really light pinky colour. Oh my god, this swatched so nicely. So I'm just grabbing this Milani brush. This came with like an eyeshadow palette I bought. So I'm just going to use the flat side, just grabbing that pink colour, and I'm packing it on top of where I applied that concealer. I'm now taking all the brushes and I'm just blending everything together so it's nice and smooth, so there's no harsh lines or patchiness. I am now going to grab the Makeup Revolution, is this called Renaissance black liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to draw a line on my eyelids, and then I'm going to start creating a wing. And of course this look would not be complete without glitter. So for the crease area, I'm going to apply the 77 Metal Flash Metallic Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Iridescent. So I'm just going to be applying this on top of my crease first. Only halfway though, not all the way across, just halfway. And on top of that, I'm going to be using the Give Me Face Cosmetics Loose Glitter, this really beautiful pink iridescent glitter. It's just perfect just to press on top of that green eyeliner I just applied. So I've just applied that, and then I'm pressing it on top to create this really beautiful greeny pink sheen. Be warned, I wouldn't recommend this glitter near the eye area because it's not the most finely milled glitter. For the waterline, I'm going to be taking the Mememe eyeliner pencil in the shade Lagoon. So I'm just going to be applying this in the waterline for that little pop of colour. taking those 3 colours again, I'm just going to use the same brushes and smoke them all under my lower lash line. I could use smaller brushes for precision, but I really want that smoky to be very rounded. For mascara, I'm going to be using the MUA Eye Define Nourish and Care Mascara. I'm not going to coat this very heavily because I'm going to be applying falsies on top. So I'm just lightly coating it just to make my lashes a little bit more darker. And I'm going to be applying this on the lower lash line as well. And to tie the whole look off, for falsies, I'm using the Adele Demi Wispies in Studio Effects. I love these lashes. These are gorgeous. And that is it, guys. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this. I loved creating this look. It just brings back so much nostalgia for me of how YouTube used to be. We used to create those little fun eye tutorials. Oh, that's just what started it all. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.